I will come back. Another important question of the day. 54. Choose correct behavior of the invoice list in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. This is one of the certification question. Probably you can able to try to answer this one. So the options are sole to party receives single invoice instead of multiple individual invoices. B is payer receives single invoice instead of multiple individual invoices. Okay. I'm going to maintain the C option. Okay. Anyhow, A, B, D, E. Time interval and dates needed for invoice list and factoring discount and billing plan and all of them. Okay. So let me try to add one more option for this. Okay. It's like a. So I have added option C also. Initially, I have forgotten. It is based on invoice cancellation. In this, either single or multiple answers might be correct, or else all answers might be correct. If you know the answer, you can comment. You can give it a try. Okay. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Before that, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. I'm requesting you. So this is my Udemy forum, currently holding 6,000 plus students, 1,000 plus successful reviews. This is my main course with 114 hours. Whichever the concepts came to my mind, which is important for you, including real-time things, I'm just adding here for sales and distribution. Okay. There is no much difference. It is a backup course if you are looking for S4 and also first learn ECC perfectly. So this is two courses I specifically recommend. One is for idocs. Okay. If you are looking for, and second one is getting master to write functional specification. These two are the common courses for any functional consultant. They're looking for future in IT. And these are the two courses for pricing. If you really want it, you can give it a try. And as for a few courses, I'm just providing these links below of this video. If you really like this video, please like it and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned with my channel till you get the answer for this question. Okay, you can give it a try. There is nothing wrong. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day. One more time.